You Christy. Good times. Yeah. Honestly, I just think it's the creepiest thing how she does that little after you say, hey Siri. Hey Siri.
Schieß los.
Schieß los, that's so German. Schieß los. Hello everyone and welcome back to my next experiment, which is gonna be a challenge for me. Probably more of a challenge than just dyeing my hair any color, because I'll have to do makeup again. So listen, I know you guys really want me to do makeup, and you guys know that I kind of not do that much makeup on my channel anymore, which is just how life goes. I mean, I still love makeup, I just don't like making videos about it anymore because it's boring. I don't enjoy it myself, and I don't enjoy filming it, I don't enjoy editing it, so I'm just like, meh. But today I am actually here to do makeup stuff because I want to challenge myself again. I want to do makeup, but I don't want to do like everyday kind of cute little makeup style. I want to try to do drag makeup again because honestly that's like the biggest challenge for me. I know SFX makeup is also like really hard and I haven't done it in a while, but I feel like drag makeup, that is honestly a really big challenge for me. I actually tried to do drag makeup like a while ago. I tried to do Tricks and Mattel's makeup and it was actually so much fun, but also really hard to do. And today I actually want to do Kimchi's makeup. Kimchi is together with Trixie and probably also Willem and probably also Katja. One of my favorite oh, well, and also Bianca. We don't want to forget about Bianca. I got too many favorite drag queens. Ugh, maybe I should have done Bianca's drag look. Anyway, I decided to do Kimchi's look because Kimchi always does amazing makeups. Like, she is doing something different literally every day, and I absolutely love her. I love her impersonations, I love her humor, I love everything about her, and yeah, I kind of want to try to do her look. Doesn't mean that it's actually going to turn out like her look, but we're gonna try. Anyway, I found this video of her and Naomi doing their makeup. Well, it's a mug, it's their show, and yeah, they literally just get ready on camera, so it's not like an in-depth makeup tutorial like the one from Trixie, so I'm a bit like but it's at least something I can follow instead of just looking at a picture. So I'm a try that, and I'm a pray to the gods that it's going well. Why am I not confident at all? Maybe it's because I haven't done any crazy makeup experiments in so long, so I'm really not like, I'm really insecure about it. Oh, Kentako, please shut up. Also, I have like a little bump on my forehead. I don't know if you can see it, but Vincent literally just smashed a PR box into my head, so. As always, we're gonna start gluing our brows down, and I've done this before, but it's been some time. Also, I have this amazing eyebrow cut, which might have gotten a bit too big again. I'm still practicing on getting my eyebrow cut right, but it's not that easy. But I got this amazing stick from Vincent because I threw all of my glue sticks away because I thought they were old and just like disgusting. I hope this one is not too old either. I always hate this feeling, but well, I hope my eyebrows won't look like peanut butter. I totally forgot that part that you just literally shove it in there like this and then you just comb it upwards. Yeah. And now we let them dry. I even got my blue dryer here. Okay, now my face is a little red right here because I just practiced for 5 minutes how to do this sound. While my cats are fighting outside my room, let's do the other coat. If I learned something in the process of gluing down my brows, it is that you should clean this up because otherwise it'll look crusty. And let's try it again. Okay, maybe. Now we're just gonna set these. I kind of look like the devil with those little clips and these brows. Oh, maybe I should have done another coat. Maybe. She's born with it. Honestly, if I apply makeup now, I'm gonna look like peanut butter jelly. So Kimchi literally glued down her brows for like, I don't know, a quarter of the video. And now listen guys, I'm gonna apply so much foundation to my face. You will not be able to see anything. I will just disappear. I think she is literally just applying the foundation on her eyebrows now, even though my eyebrows do look very strong, bitch. Crusty. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. If any professional or not even professional drag queen is watching this, you all are probably better at gluing down brows than I am, and you're probably face bombing so bad. I also think my foundation is way too dark for my face, so I gotta lighten it up already. Also, Kimchi was also applying her foundation and everything with the beauty blender, so I gotta use this as well. But also I think I need to apply more of the light concealer because I know Kimchi is also highlighting the shit out of her face. I have my Anastasia contour kit right here. Just lighten it up even more. We want it to be highlighted, honey. You. I hope I just don't do that again. Okay, my brows do look like peanut butter and I'm very sorry. I will do better next time, I promise. So she says she uses a really dark contour, which we can do. That looks really, really muddy. Oh god. Into that hairline, honey.
Like a signature look, just like.
Ew, why do I look like this? I need a better brush. I think it's the brush. It's definitely the brush. So I'm gonna just go in with like a little bit of a pointy brush and I'm gonna sharpen this.
I actually use like a lip brush from Sugar Pill to contour my nose.
And now she's just contouring her nose, which I can do. Okay, so the thing is, so when I did Trixie, she was just slapping it on and she did like a really intense contour and didn't blend like a lot. Kimchi applies a really intense contour but also blends it a lot. I was kind of like in that Trixie moment, but actually Kimchi blends a lot. Oh, maybe it'll look better if I apply some like bronzer on top because that is definitely a very muddy, ashy kind of contour. Guys, I'm really kind of disappointed because of my brows, I gotta say. So let me just set my face. I also feel like you really have to apply impact on your face. Like literally you have to hurt yourself to set this. I don't really see every step Kimchi is doing on camera, so I just gotta think. Why does my face, I do not recognize my face. I have this Benefit Caramel bronzer, which is really, really dark, so maybe that'll do the trick. And she also applies it onto her eye, kind of. Oh god. Oh, do you see the difference? Oh. Oh, oops. I'm gonna use the beauty blender and then I'm gonna dip into some white and I'm gonna cut my cheekbone with it. Oh, I'm smart. And she also highlighted the shit out of her cheekbones with some white powder, I think. Maybe I can wipe off some powder now because that was my bronzing brush. Not too bad. It's not like it's blended as fuck like a Carly Bio contour, but oh, now she's using the blush I actually have right here. Yes, it is the same blush. Oh my god, I'm a celebrity. There's a lot going on my face which I've never seen before. A lot of chemical reactions kind of, but we're gonna get through this even though we have a lot of powder in our eyes. And I'm trying not to be a puss. Good times. She's doing like a huge halo eye like on top of her brows. And I'm definitely gonna apply it right here on top of my eyebrow, which looks crusty as fuck, and I'll probably need to face tune later, which really annoys me. And then on the outer half, kind of in your contour. That's fun though. I like this part. She kind of leaves out the space where she's gonna put her eyeliner anyway. That's smart. Very resourceful. Now she's actually applying lipstick. Do I look artsy?
I feel artsy.
She's applying Chestnut from MAC, and I did have this lip liner at some point in my life. Let me look. I actually found this lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury. It might be a bit reddish, but I also think it might look cool with the eye look. Oh, this is too red, actually. I need more of a brown. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it the right way. We're gonna do it the Kimchi way. Ah. I'm gonna use Spice Girl from Huda Beauty. I'm gonna overline a lot. Okay, so now she's actually doing like an ombre lip, which I can do. I'm so not prepared for this. I'm like standing up every 5 seconds. I think I actually just need like a nudish kind of color. I'm gonna use Hunty from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Oh, I hope she's gonna apply some gloss at the end of this because my lips look so gross. Okay, time for a really intense liner. Where are you going? Don't leave me alone. Follow me into the unknown. Well, that liner is thicker than Snicker. Heavy like a Chevy. I guess that's the basic shape. Let's just do the exact same shape on the other eye. Don't die on me now. How on earth am I gonna draw this in? I just had like the most amazing idea of 2020 already. Is it 2020? Yeah. Ew. I may not have a black cream eyeliner, but I have Weirdo by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Okay, this might take a while though. Life hack. I hate drawing stuff on my lower lash line because my eyes are so sensitive. They'll eventually tear up like literally every time. Oh my god, that looks so creepy. Oh god, I'm so concentrated. Oh god, oh god, oh god. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that because I already fucked up so many times and had to adjust it, but I'm done. I love Naomi's laugh. Okay, so she does her eyebrows now, and they're really thin and not like very intense actually. And they're not even very arched. No, they kind of look sad. I'm sorry, Kimchi, I need to arch this brow a bit more than you do because otherwise I'll look like I'm a sad clown. Ugh. Ugh. And now all I need is lashes and rhinestones. Gosh, where's my lash glue? Finding my lash glue is literally the hardest thing in the world. I got it. Cool. And then one on my lid. Maybe a bigger one to hide my ugly ass glued down brows. Cool. Okay, now we gotta stack on some lashes. That's for sure. Maybe apply a bit of mascara. Don't know why though. So I got 3 pairs of lashes. Maybe I'm just gonna stack those. Sadly, I don't have like very long, like typical drag lashes. While my lashes are drying, let me just do some finishing touches. For example, add some more cheek highlight. I don't think she's applying any shimmery highlight, just like very white highlight. First pair of lashes, second pair of lashes. I literally just applied them on the center of my lid. These are 3 pairs and you can still not see them. From far away, I don't even see my lashes at all. Ooh. God damn, I forgot a rhinestone. Unforgivable. That's cool. I mean, I definitely feel a bit more glam than when I did Trixie's makeup. And I also feel like I have like the most amazing cat eye ever. Like honestly, in the mirror, I kind of look... In the viewfinder, I look... No. Yeah?
Yes, girl.
Am I Kimchi? Do you know what Kimchi looks like?
No. I think you are her. You look bomb.com.
Do you think so?
Taco's jealous of your cat eye.
Do you think the cats will recognize me like this?
They will think you're one of them. I thought you wanted to be a cat.
Yeah, meow.
Cat? Hey, you're done? Did I come at the right time?
Yeah, I'm like literally done right now. Can you not eat these? You already had yours. Hello.
Okay.
Do you like mama? Do you like my baby? He loves it. Look at me. Stop looking at my brow. So guys, comment down below how you like it. Don't comment anything about my peanut butter glue down ugly ass brows. Comment down below which drag queen I should do. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which is Naomijon on
Instagram.
Naomijon Snap on. Why are you talking into...
I'm just trying to come up with something.
Yeah, but... Okay. And the Naomijon on... Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next experiment. Bye.